Hello boys and girls, today in class we are going to show you how to suck. Your truck is broken, your car is broken, you suck. Fucking we're doing a gender reveal for our boy Cody. So, we're gonna get tires swapped over, put some street tires on, so we can do a Burnout, boys. And, also, check that out. Oh, let me move all my stuff here. Can't be messing this up. We gotta get this wrapped and clear as soon as we get her filled up. Almost full. Yee, check this out. Gender reveal purge cannon. What do you guys know about that? What y'all know about the gender reveal purge cannon, eh? Woo, yeah. Gotta take a union break. Oh, another union break. Alright, we're here, unloaded. Look, there's Dad.
There's Daddy.
What do you think you're gonna have, bro? What do you
Everyone-
want to have?
I want to have a girl, but everybody's saying it's probably a boy, so I don't know how that works.
Do you remember like the position, like when you guys conceived? Because that's like, that's how you know if you're gonna get a boy or a girl.
Yeah,
so
no,
were you trying for a girl?
I don't know what positions allocate for what.
Man.
Yeah.
Look, there's the fam bam over there getting everything ready, so we'll pull the car around, but yep, I'm stoked. Thanks, shout out to this guy right here for letting me be a part of this. I'm happy.
I'm happy. I'm excited.
I'm stoked to use the old chip box. At least it runs good enough for this.
Yeah, I was hoping it wasn't broke because it's been broke for like the past 6 months.
Son of a bitch! What do you guys think, boys?
It's gonna be
What do you guys think it's gonna be?
a boy. Cody's gonna be a boy now. Boy, girl? Gonna be both?
What do you think?
Boy.
A boy.
What do you think it's gonna be, real quick?
A baby.
Any guesses?
A boy.
Any guesses what it's gonna be?
Boy. Yeah, I think boy.
At least what do you think, bud?
There's a lot of people here. That's what I think.
Ready? Wait, let's see a show of hands for Team Girl. There's like 2, 3. Team Boy, obviously everybody else. Let's see. Wow. Okay. Thank you again.
No, I'm scared. I don't want to go.
The noise is about to scare you. Wow.
Hey, so now that you know what it is,
That's awesome.
yeah.
Yeah, excited.
Oh man, that was freaking amazing. I'm so stoked that he let me be a part of that. We kind of missed one half, but you know, it is what it is. Mission was still accomplished, so. Well, you guys are gonna have to let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if I did okay or not. I mean, it sucked. We kind of missed half the bags, but it is what it is. Still got the point across. So, we got the injectors ordered for old girl. So we're gonna get those in hopefully by the end of the week, and hopefully this weekend we'll be testing. So look for a video of us hopefully testing with no issue. Figure we'll give you guys a little shot of old girl here. We had to give her another bath. She's kind of on hold. With our tow truck and whatnot, kind of taking a cheat and braking and basically costing a crap load of money that we weren't really planning on. And this old girl taking a bunch of money we weren't really planning on. She's on hold for a bit, but we got her, so there she is. Anyway, whoo, look at the trunk, boys. Look at the trunk, look at the trunk, look at the trunk. I got a few more names to add. Anyway, thank you guys for taking the time to hang out with us and watch our shenanigans. As always, like, subscribe, and share.